Hello teachers, this video tutorial will show you how to create a bubble sheet for any test in Eduphoria. You can create any bubble sheet for any test as long as you have the question numbers, the correct answer, and the TEK. First, you will have to click on Eduphoria. Then you will enter your EPISD username without the @EPISD.
First, you will click on Aware. Now select the Assessments tab on the left side of the screen. At the bottom, click Create a New Test. We will first show you how to make a test with only multiple choice responses. Select the Create a Quick Test Key button. Now at the bottom right, click Next. Here you will enter the title of the test. Be specific, and you might want to include the school year. Select the grade level next. You can leave the start date as is if you would like, but as for the end date, choose a date when you know for certain you will not need data.
For test type at the bottom, this is the main folder where the test will be hung in the Analyze tab in Aware. This page is crucial for you finding the test results. Now at the bottom, click Next. At this page, you will choose the TEK bank being assessed. We chose 3rd grade math, so we will click the Elementary folder, 3rd grade, then Mathematics. Now, at the bottom right, click Next. Here, type in the number of questions and number of responses. 4 is usually the standard. Now at the bottom, click Next. Enter the correct responses for your question. When finished, click Next.
Even though it says you're done, you still need to enter the TEKs, so click Finish at the bottom right.
As you can see from this page, this is where you have chosen your test to be hung in Aware. If you scroll down, you can select the satisfactory percentage and the advanced percentage. If you don't need to make any changes, click on the Curriculum tab at the top. Here you can verify the TEK bank you will be using. We selected 3rd grade math earlier, and that's what is here. So we will move to the Questions tab at the top. As you can see, the first 10 questions are on the screen. This page is where we begin attaching TEKs to questions. First, you will take your cursor and hover over the answer. Select the pencil. Now select the Standards tab at the top. Now simply find the corresponding TEK for this question and double-click on it. Now you can add a secondary standard if it applies using the Select New Secondary Standard tab. If you do not need additional standards, click Finished. If you attached the TEK correctly, you should see the correct answer and the TEK you selected next to the question. Repeat this process for all questions. You can add additional questions by clicking on the Add Question tab. If you need to delete a question, hover the cursor over the answer and click the pencil. Down at the bottom left, you will be able to remove a question. Click on the tab. Click on the Students tab. Based on how your schedules are set up in Teams, this process might be slightly different than what we are showing you. For purposes of this training, we will be selecting students in selected courses. Under Additional Options, select Math 3. Now we will select the Administration tab. From here, at the top right side of the screen, click the green Activate button. Just to be safe, click Save, Save, Save.
You can click Save at any point during this process.
For the person who created the test, you will have a Print Answer Sheet button. Click it to get a PDF of the bubble sheets. You have completed the making of a multiple choice bubble sheet. Please see additional videos for tests with griddable and open-ended responses.